Hi everybody, welcome to 400 Silverwoods. We are just south of Sherwood Park, only 8 minutes out of downtown Sherwood Park. This is a gem, absolute one-of-a-kind, sensational bungalow on 10 acres, and you're gonna be excited to see this. Let's have a look. Entering through the double doors, we go into the grand entry with a tall vaulted ceiling. Enter the great room with the stone fireplace, hardwood floors, and lots of space. Into the dining room, formal dining room, ample oversized windows opening onto amazing kitchen. Kitchen is full oak package, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, overhead canopy, hood fan, and then move forward into the laundry room. It's a stunning master bedroom with large oversized windows. Luxurious ensuite featuring swirl pool, jacuzzi tub, stall shower, and separate water closet. Bedroom 2 has a beautiful view of the garden. Main floor is finished with a stunning 4-piece bath. Notable features include 5-inch oak baseboards, crown molding, and solid oak doors. Amazing rec room including a full wet bar, billiards room, plenty of room for a future home theater, and 2 massive bedrooms with another full bath. Amazing legal suite ideal for the nanny. Includes living room, dining room, kitchen, separate bedroom with full ensuite, 3 entrances. The mechanical considerations for this property include in-floor heating, 2 new high-efficiency furnaces with AC, steam-injected humidifiers, electronic air filters. There's also central vacuum included. You'll love the triple attached garage with basement entry. It's heated, insulated, and fully finished. Exit the dining room onto the end-to-end deck. Full size, full length of the house, includes gas for the barbecue, and it covers an end-to-end covered full-size patio below. Absolutely amazing 10-acre lot. On the property you also find a 7-bay equipment and auto storage lean-to. This includes 5 14 by 14 by 12 foot high individual bays and 2 14 by 28. This is also serviced with 10 and 230 volt. The septic system on this property is the very best you can get. It is a covered sewage treatment plant. The entire family will enjoy this one-of-a-kind raised treehouse and play center. Comes fully furnished and features swings, climbing gym, and spiral slide. The metal gazebo with center fire pit looks beautiful at night, lit in suspended solar lighting. Numerous gardens with shrubs and perennials, fenced and illuminated with solar lights. You will love 3 garden ponds managed by 8 water weirs and decorated with 7 bridges, 2 docks, 1 floating and 1 cantilever. This property has a fully fenced perimeter with horse wire, swinging electric metal gate, and 350 feet of paved driveway with ample parking. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this magnificent one-of-a-kind property. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to have the opportunity to take you and show you around the property in person. I guarantee it's even better being here.